Sometimes life feels like it's too much, doesn't it? Like, no matter how hard you try, you're just stuck in this endless cycle of stress, failure, or even just numbness. Maybe you've been feeling that way lately and overwhelmed, exhausted, like everything is piling up and you don't know how to make it stop. If that's what you're feeling right now, let me start by saying this: you're not alone. We've all been there in some way, standing at the edge of what feels like a breaking point. Maybe it's school and you're drowning in deadlines and expectations, feeling like no matter how much you push yourself, it is never enough. Maybe it's life itself, the way of relationships, responsibilities, or the pressure to just keep it all together. And then, in the middle of it all, that little voice creeps in, whispering, "Why even bother? What's the point?" The voice can feel so loud sometimes. It makes you think you're powerless, like you're trapped in this overwhelming mess with no way out. But here's the truth: the voice doesn't define you. Those feelings of hopelessness, as heavy as they are, don't control your story. When life feels like it's too much, one of the hardest but most important things to remember is that emotions, no matter how powerful, are temporary. They don't last forever. Even when it feels like they might, it's like being caught in a storm when you're in the middle of it and it's hard to see anything beyond the rain and the thunder. But storms always pass. The problem is when you're in that storm, it's easy to believe that you're alone and no one understands what you're going through. But that's not true. There are people who care about you and who would drop everything to help you if they knew where you were struggling. Just don't keep it all inside. It's okay to reach out and say, "I need help." It's not a sign of weakness, it's a sign of strength. You don't have to fix everything all at once when life feels overwhelming. It's because we're trying to take on too much at the same time, and solutions don't matter if you rush everything that goes in your way. Just stop for a moment, breathe, break it down, and focus on just one thing for now. And just one small step you can take. And maybe it's finishing that one assignment, maybe it's getting out of bed or eating something. Maybe it's just taking a walk in the park and letting yourself feel the air on your face. Those small steps matter. They're what get you through the storm one at a time, and you also need to give yourself permission to rest. We live in a world that makes us feel like we have to keep going, like keep pushing, keep achieving in life, even when we're falling apart inside. But this time, you're allowed to pause. You're allowed to take a break and just be rest. Isn't a failure, it is part of healing. Remind yourself that this is not the end of the story. It's just a top chapter and everyone has them, even me. And they don't last forever. I know that you've survived every bad day you've faced so far, even if the ones you thought you wouldn't. That's proof of your strength. That's proof that you can get through this too. If no one has told you this lately, let me be the one to say it. You matter. Your feelings are valid, and the world is better with you in it. So, Don't let these emotions control you. Don't let them make you believe that your life doesn't have meaning or that you don't have the strength to keep going. You do. One step at a time, one day at a time. You'll find your way out of the storm, and when you do, the sun will feel warmer, the air fresher, and you see how far you've come. Hang in there. You've got this. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and good night.